Hello everyone, welcome back to Unveil. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys. I'm going to show you guys the live withdrawal using Coinpayu. So as you can see, I have a balance of 1,561 coins. It's going to mean $1 561 cents or 56 cents to call it. So you may ask me how I earned it. So for the people who are new to my channel and haven't watched my previous videos, just go take a look at this video if you want to earn at least $1 daily. For me, you can take a personal example of me. I have completed literally zero offers. Let me show you the proof. I have completed no surveys, I have completed no offers, yet I have already cashed out $1.7 previously, and now I have another nearly $1.6 in my hand. So if you want to learn how I earn this much, then just go take a look at that video. You will be able to earn daily at least $1 if you just follow the steps in that video. This video's link will be available in the description and the first comment. Just go take a look at it. Now, for the people who do not know what is Coinpayu, well, Coinpayu is a site which will pay you for completing surveys or offers or few activities such as watching PTC advertisements, etc. So it's available in the Google Play Store. It has over 500k downloads with over 4.1 star reviews. So people, I mainly do not recommend using the mobile version because it only has earning via surveys and offers. If you want to understand the full potential of this application, then it is recommended that you go and you use the system version or website version. In the system version, you have a lot of features such as earning via watching PTC ads, etc. So people, if you want an additional bonus of coins, then all you have to do is go click on my referral link, and when you sign up using my referral link, you would get an additional bonus of 10%. Just keep it in mind whenever you earn. So now if we are just going to focus on the live withdrawal from the Coinpay website, well, there are a lot of ways where we can withdraw. You may have a question, is there no direct ways to withdraw direct to a bank account without fees? Well, yes, you can directly withdraw to a bank account without fees, but what you have to do is choose some of the coins which has zero transaction fees, such as Matic. I'm just going to use Matic in this video, and you must enter the amount. For example, I'm just going to enter $1. $1 right now is going to be 1.3939 Matic. Now all you have to do is click on this confirm button over here, and once we click on this confirm button, what would happen is that our total amount 1561 would be reduced to 561, and once we go to our profile and when we take a look at our history and the cash out history, we'll be able to take a look at it, and they pay you within 24 hours, and the minimum withdrawal amount is just going to be $1. So you can withdraw the money which you earn daily. You withdraw your money daily. Now for the people who are wondering how to withdraw our money directly to the bank account, well, in order to withdraw your money directly to a bank account, all you would have to do is go take a look at this video. This video's link will also be available in the description and the first comment. Just go take a look at it. It's me Surya Prakash from Unveil signing off. If you did enjoy watching today's video and you learned something, then make sure to click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel if you want more such updates. Well, once again, it's me Surya Prakash from Unveil signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.